Hi, in this video we're going to be setting up your indicator, your 7515 indicator, to your printer SL25. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to plug in your power into the back of your printer and plug in your RS-232 cable that was supplied to you. You want to make sure that they're both male. Okay, go ahead and plug it in and then plug it into the back of your indicator. On the indicator, it should have an RS-232 port. And we're going to plug that in. On your indicator, to change the parameters, you're going to want to turn it on. And then you're going to press the hold and Unit button as soon as you get to weighing mode. So right now it's in weighing mode. Press these two together. And in here, there are a bunch of different settings for other features for the indicator as far as auto off and auto shut off and backlight. But the one we're going to want to go to, you're going to press hold to get to it. You're going to go all the way to TRN. TRN. And you want to make sure it's 2. If you need to change it, you just press the unit button and make sure it goes to 2. Once you have it on 2, you're going to press hold until it gets back to weighing mode. Right now we're back in the weighing mode. Now it's ready to print. For your printer, if you haven't already put in the paper, the paper is two-sided. Well, it's one-sided. It's a matte side and a shiny side. Okay, you want to make sure the shiny, smooth side is in the paper face forward towards you, and turn it on the front. You'll see the light is on, and you can make sure it works. So once you have everything set up, you're going to press and hold the print button, and you should hear the printer print. You can press it a couple times and feed it up, and you can see that it printed. There it is. If you do have any questions, if you have any issues, give us a call, or you can visit our website, cellatonscales.com. Thank you very much.